In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 0. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So if you get the Roblox error code 0 and you can't open your Roblox app, so what we can do is to just go to our search bar and type run. So from here, we want to type this local app data. So you want to type percentage local app data percentage. Now hit enter or click OK. So from here, we will see lots of different folders. So we want to find Roblox. So as you can see, there is this Roblox folder here. So we want to delete this. So this contains all of the cache files for Roblox and anything that may cause the problem. So after that, we want to exit this, go back to the search bar and type add or remove programs. So we want to click on add or remove programs. From here, you want to search Roblox and you just want to click on this three dots icon and simply uninstall. After you've uninstalled Roblox, you want to install it again and just restart your PC. And I hope this fixes your problem. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.